Enjoying a high-quality build and an extending sprayer with a comfortable reach, the Moen Adler A7 233 appeals to those who adore simple yet elegant design. Currently tagged around $130 for the chrome version, which is not very expensive, the faucet is even more inviting. Welcome to ShouldIT Kitchen Faucet Series. Welcome everyone to another ShouldIT Kitchen Faucet video. My name is Moen, and today we're having a look at the Moen Adler single-handle pull-down kitchen faucet. Together we'll delve into certain aspects of design and craftsmanship, examine distinct details of the faucet, and talk about the good and bad in our experience with the product to give you, our viewers, some ideas of what you're buying. So let's get right to it. But first, let's talk about how we evaluate each kitchen faucet. Our main objective here is to conduct unbiased reviews across our kitchen faucet series. As such, ratings are given to three main categories: design, usability, and performance, as we standardize our routine for every faucet. In design, we focus on the general build of the body and the sprayer head of each faucet, like the quality of the function button or how the neck swivels, for example. In usability, we highlight the interactions around the setup of the faucets, how they control water, and how the sprayer maneuvers. Finally, each faucet's performance under low water pressure is also taken into account to finalize our verdict. If you want to learn more about our evaluation process and rating criteria, try searching for "How should it test kitchen faucets?" The Moen Adler is a fully rotating, single-handle kitchen faucet with a detachable sprayer head that features standard water functions. The faucet stands roughly 14.5 inches high by 8 inches wide and can be installed in a one-hole or three-hole scenario. Now let's look at the design more closely. The Moen Adler appears more complex than most faucets we have examined, owing to its small base and sprayer, and it has a very modest yet polished look to it. The petite design gives an impression of extra free space around the sink area and should help tidy the kitchens feel less crowded. Moreover, thanks to the smooth transition between body parts, cleaning the faucet is notably easier than less simplest designs. The faucet comes in several different colors, which includes chrome, matte black, Mediterranean bronze, and spot-resist stainless, measuring at roughly 23 inches long, which is apparently a standard for most pull-down faucets. The Adler should meet most basic requirements. The sprayer can either stream water or spray it, triggered by using the rocker button. However, the button feels strange to interact with due to its awkward leveling. Additionally, there isn't any indicator for the functions on the faucet. This, fortunately, is not much of an issue thanks to the auto-switch feature, which resets the faucet to streaming water every time it's turned off and on again. In terms of build quality, the Moen Adler is reasonably impressive. It's not exactly on the same level as more expensive models, but it's undoubtedly better than most generic faucets under $100. Upon close inspection, the thickness of the bodywall together with the total weight of the faucet only reinforce our point. With all that said, the Moen Adler pull-down kitchen faucet receives 8 out of 10 for design. Now in terms of usability, the Moen Adler A7 233 is a simple yet solid pull-down kitchen faucet with reliable build quality. There are a few things that we particularly want to address, so let's talk about pros and cons. Everything from the 360-degree rotating body and the sprayer head to the single-handle control moves smoothly with a satisfying weight. The combination of a flexible hose and a ball joint allows for easy and intuitive maneuvers. The installation is DIY friendly and the components are cleverly designed so that even first-timers should not have much trouble setting up the faucet. Tools needed for the mounting process are also included. Check out the user manual or watch our installation video for easy-to-follow instructions. Our main complaint for this category is that the faucet doesn't have any hot and cold indicator. This can be particularly jarring if you're switching from a different faucet that has a different orientation. Additionally, the balance between the sprayer head and the add-on weight can be a little off, which may cause the sprayer to splash water when docking. For those reasons, the Moen Adler scores 7.4 out of 10 for usability. The Adler, like most Moen kitchen faucets, works best around 60 psi. If water pressure drops too low around 40 psi, you start to see dripping more often. Insufficient water pressure will also affect the faucet auto-switch function. Compared to the other faucet that we put through the low pressure test, the Moen Adler receives 5 points out of 10. The sleek-looking Moen Adler A7-233 pull-down faucet is a minimal yet well-designed piece of work. Enjoying a straightforward installation process and high-quality craftsmanship, the faucet should be worth every penny, especially considering its lack of any major drawbacks. That's why the Moen Adler with a 7.4 overall rating is a perfect choice for any project in need of a simple and effective kitchen faucet. And that's the end of today's review video. If you'd like to find more information about the Moen Adler pull-down faucet, try searching for ShouldIT Kitchen Faucet Series. Hit like if you've been enjoying the video and consider subscribing and donating to the channel to support our work. Thanks for watching ShouldIT, and we'll see you in the next review.